tip it deep. Kingsley, watch. Hey, Kingsley, quickly. Watch first and second coming over. Right.
And Roger right here when you were stacking, right? So he needs to be on there. Earlier he was on there. You know what I mean? So like you're on there. I understand my Roger. Yeah. But you need to be always
wherever he is, you have to be on this side of him.
Yeah.
Huddle up. You can't come off the court. Huddle up, guys. Huddle up. Without Cyrus. All right, go back. Follow the ball, Kingsley. Follow the ball. Be ready for it. Gotcha. Angle. Yeah. So upside like that, and you know he can hit it, so tell him to hit it. Hit it, and then you back off and cover. Oh God, that's a throw. So if you get that situation where it's like high in the middle, you tell Roman to hit, and then you cover. You go hit it. You back off and you cover.
Oh, so does it say middle post?
No. It was a high in the middle on the first ball. You can tell him to hit it, and you cover instead of trying to jump set it. Up. Go to the sides, Brian. Go to the side. Free. Good job. Jaime! That'd be funny. He has one arm. No.
Get it.
He's a freshman. No, he's a sophomore. Drop in there. Good. Good hustle, Kingsley. First row. Hey, Kingsley, over there. Yeah, you're good. Kingsley, this side. There you go. Good. Set her out. Over. Out. All right, let's go. Next point. Pass right here. Hey, where are you going? Same thing. All right, nice hustle, Kingsley. Nice.
No more micro mill for you.
right, your serve. Brian, your front. He stopped right when he was serving. Trying to distract the server. Watch your net. All right, good job. Good talk. Oh. That's good communication, though. Stack right, stack right. Good, good, good. Keep it in, keep it in. Nice job. Let's go, tough D. Free. Good.
Watch over.
Free. Tip it. There you go. Nice. That's rum and serve. Rum and serve. You're still front. Jesus. Jesus. Kigley. Brian, you're on the in between. Yeah, you're good, Raj. Come on, let's make our serves. Make our serves. Go back in. Corner. Hey, corner. All right, let's go. Let's get a pass. Get a pass. Side out.
Guys, come on. One at a time.
Step up. Step up. You got it. Get the next one, Kingsley. Step up. Get the next one.
Don't forget to step up.
Feet to the ball. Call the ball. Basics. Be ready. Here we go. All right, 2 subs. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, go.
Go ahead, guys. Go ahead.
I know, Raj wants to say it.
Go ahead. I ain't getting no sense. I'm trying to play.
It happens sometimes. Yeah, you're still back. Middle back. And you go right, left. It's like Jaime, it's like first rotation. All right, you guys are good. Angle. Outside. Good job. Keep it up. Push one. Nice serve. Good. Hey, Kingsley, beat it there, get around it this side instead of like, because you were like this. All right? Brian, over there. All right, let's get a pass. Help. Brian. Get the next. Hey, you can bump that in, right? Just move your feet to the ball, bump it in. All right, Brian serves. Jaime, your front. Step back. Hey, but be ready for balls coming over, right?
Start in the middle.
It was close. Stack right. There you go. You just have to be on this side of Amari. You're good. Hey, step up, Brian. Step up. All right, we go. 0-0. Let's get the next one. Step up, Brian. Step up. Brian, step up. We got leg guys ready to call timeout. Hey, so it's your serve. Roman, you're in. Keeps you're off. You're in between. There you go. Nice serve. In the box, in the box. Great. Good, good, good. Easy. Tip, tip. Good, good, good. Tippy. Corner, corner. Pass right. And no, pass right, Kingsley. Good, good. Oh. That's right. Hey, way to be there, Roman. Way to be there. Hey, keep the ball off the net, guys. Pass 5 foot. Good, good, good. Nice. All right, Tim. What's up? Got some good ones in there. All right, let's get a pass, guys. Get a pass. Brian, step up. That was Brian's. It's okay. I'm aggressive, Brian. Call the ball. Chip. Good spot. Deep corner, deep corner. Tipping, tipping. Too far in. That's true. All right, good swing. Yeah. That was the right spot. Just hit that corner. Good, good, good. Good swing. Down ball, down ball. Same exact, hey, same exact swing. All right, we go. Next one, next one. Good pass, good set. Do it again. Good hustle. Just pop it up higher, Ant. Pop it up higher. Where are we? We are. Wait, wait. That was his timeout. I didn't call timeout. I got you. Right, right. Keeps on stalling my server. Nice serve, Cyrus. Down ball. Out at it. Ooh, that was close. I called it out, and then I'm like, oh, shoot, is that going to drop in? Nice serve. On the box, on the box. right, let's go. Let's get a pass. Get a pass. That's right. Yeah, right there, Kingsley. Drop, Raj. There you go. Right there. In between, Raj. In between. There you go. What? Oh, okay.
Hey, you killed the lid.
Zach, right. Step in, Roman. There you go. Free. Good. Set her out. Yeah, Raj can set. Jesus. Kingsley. In between, Brian. In between. Brian, you're in between. Raj, you're right. There you go. Hey, good job, Roman. Not over. Easy. Nice. Short. Down. Good. Watch the net. Coming free. All right, keep it up. Push one. Go, switch. All right, good try. That's right. Corner. All right, way to touch it. All right, one pass. Let's go. Be aggressive. Call the ball. Two subs. Wait. And go. Ethan, go. So Ethan, go in for here. You're playing Oppo. Yeah.
Let's go.
And you come in. Step. Start on the 4.
Sorry.
What happened?
First time.
I know you did good.
Serio? You don't go down the whole time? Let's go in.
Out. Hey, as you make your switch, keep your eye on the ball. As you make your switch, watch the ball.
Oh my God.
Easy. Good. Up it up. Tip in again. Nice. Good job, Brian. Way to adjust. There we go. Push one, guys. Push one. Don't relax. Go left, Kingsley. Quick. There you go. Up it up. All it. Nice. Good job. Way to hustle, Brian. Good job. Way to call and talk, Kingsley. Nice serve. Nice serve. Easy, easy, easy. Good call. Angle, big angle, big angle. All right, let's go. Side out, guys. Side out. Push one. Let's get this one. Feet to the ball. Call the ball. See what he. Okay, Brian, your serve. Timmy, your front. Timmy, your front. Corner. Right there. That's good, Kingsley. Be ready for that ball right there, though. Stack right, stack right, stack right. That's right, Brian. Step up, step up, step up. Chippy. Nope. Hey, sis, your serve. Roman, you're in. Kingsley, you're off. Push one, push one.
Hey, baby. More.
Up it up, up it up, up it up. Hit the ball, hit the floor. Corner, corner. Kingsley, Kingsley. That's right. Drop back and pass here. All right, let's go. 1 point, 1 pass. Feet first, feet first. Watch your tip, watch your tip. Good, good, good. Good, easy, easy, easy. Two subs, two subs.
We got 25 to 3. Go ahead.
Hey, you good, you good. You're good. Coming free, watch short. Good, good, good. Nice, Brian. Rocky, Rocky. Okay, hop it up, hop it up. Too far? You got his shoulder? Did he hit it with his shoulder?
No, it was that tip of the street.
Okay. All right. First, word one. Rods go left. Rods go left. Here we go. Side out, guys. Side out. Okay.